Hello, and welcome to another training video for the Champaign-Urbana Public Health District. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a shortcut for any website or even program and put it on your desktop so that it's easier to access. So the shortcut that I'm going to show you how to make today is going to be the office.com website. This is going to be essentially our new homepage almost, where you're going to go here to access all of your applications, your new OneDrive, you can do PowerPoint from here. The new SharePoint will also be accessible from here, and also even Microsoft Teams. If you do not see the Microsoft Outlook application on here, don't worry, it will appear. Just give it some time and it will eventually show up for everybody. So let's say that I wanted to create a shortcut so that every time I wanted to go to office.com, I did not have to type it out. So one of the first ways is you simply click this guy up here and you drag them over. That's it. Now whenever I double click this, it is going to take me to office.com. And just to show you again, I'm simply clicking this little lock thing over here. I'm not clicking the actual URL. I'm clicking the lock, dragging it over. That's it. And it creates a shortcut for me to office.com. Now another way to do it from up here with click and drag is if I click up here and I make sure that all of it is highlighted, I can now click and drag this as well. Now if I click it, takes it right there to office.com all over again. Now, if you're clicked up here and you're not highlighted on all of it, it will not function. You do have to have all of this highlighted in order for it to work. And as you can see, it still works. So that is the fastest way to make a shortcut of a website. Now, let's say that you wanted to have this appear on your bookmark bar. Another way that you can do that is simply click this and drag it over. It's that simple. Now this is in Google Chrome. This should work as well in Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. Just a simple click over and drag, and you have it. I'm going to delete these really quick, and I'm also going to show you another way. So there's a star over here on the right. You click that star, you can put Microsoft Office Home, and you can say what folder you want it to be in. I primarily use the bookmark bar only, so I pretty much just put all my bookmarks there. If I click done, now I click here, just takes me to office.com. It's that simple. Now let's say I make a bookmark that I don't want because I made it on accident. I can click that star and I can do remove. And I can also simply right click this and I can do delete. Now let's say I don't like how long this name is, or I don't like how long that name is. What I can do is I can right click it and I can do rename, and I can just put office.com, just so that I simply know if I double click this, it will take me to office.com. I can also do this within the bookmark bar, where I click this and I do edit, and it says the name is up here. I'm going to change the name to office.com. Now every time I click this, it's going to take me to office.com. You can also do this with the new OneDrive so that you don't have to go to office.com first if you don't want to. Again, click and drag, that easy. Now I have my OneDrive on my desktop and I can just double click it and I have all of my documents now, that easily accessible. And again, just one more time to reiterate, I can click this, drag it down here, and I have a button just to get to OneDrive. Now, let's say you want to create a shortcut for an application that is on your computer. So if you click the start button, and let's say I want to create a shortcut for Microsoft Access. I can right click this. I can do more, open file location. Now, the reason I have to do this is because in the new Windows 10, they, for some reason, decided to take away the function of doing right-click create shortcut from the start menu. So you do have to do right-click more open file location. When you do that, it's going to open up something like this and you're going to be able to see it. Now, if you look over here, it does say that this is a shortcut. So if I do this and I do move to, it's going to give me an error message because you cannot move this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to right-click, copy it, right-click, and paste it. Now I have a shortcut to Microsoft Access. And I can even do this with Excel, Outlook, and all of my other programs. So simply right-click, copy, right-click, paste. Now there's another thing that I can do. I can do right-click, send to, desktop to create shortcut. When I do that, it will appear right there. Now I have my shortcuts. Thank you. Have a great day.